Cleaning and maintenance. Please do not use the cleaning solution containing the substances listed below to soak, clean or wipe the accessories of the kit. They may cause color fading, erosion or even damage the operation of the MAFT gun. Damages as a result of failure to follow the procedures as described will void your warranty. Release injection cannula and unload the syringe. Soak them in cleaning solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Make sure that the body of the MAFT gun, injection cannulas and aspiration cannula are fully immersed to dissolve the residual tissue like blood or fat tissue. It is suggested to soak the items in warm water/cleaning solution right away. Wash thoroughly the inside and outside of the MAFT gun including the connections, joints and spaces in between with a brush/sponge. Use the stylets to push through repeatedly the lumen of the injection cannula or aspiration cannula to clean the residual tissue inside. For the cannulas, it is recommended to flush them by injecting water into the cannula to clean the cannula thoroughly. Immerse the MAFT gun, injection cannulas, aspiration cannula and other parts of the Movamid kit set including syringe transducers, syringe caps for centrifugation in the clean water for another 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse every accessory by clean water. Use a clean towel to wipe out or use a dust away to blow away the water. Similarly, use the dust away to blow away the water in the injection cannulas or the aspiration cannula. Air dry every accessory of the set. About sterilization. Caution. The entire Movamid kit should be sterilized by autoclave only. Please autoclave the entire Movamid kit prior to use. The entire Movamid kit should be clean, dry, and affixed with autoclave indicator tape before autoclaving. Always autoclave the stylets together with cannulas. Please follow standard autoclave procedures for surgical instruments. The whole kit needs to be autoclaved at 121 degrees Celsius, 249.8 degrees Fahrenheit, 30 minutes or 134 degrees Celsius, 273.2 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 minutes. Please follow the autoclaving temperatures and times mentioned above. Failing to do so may result in incomplete sterilization or damages to the components. To avoid causing serious damage to the MAFT gun, be sure to press the unload button while pulling back the plunger push plate when loading/unloading syringes. Please do not attempt to disassemble the MAFT gun. Failure to follow the instructions when handling the device, including operations, cleaning and sterilization procedures, may void the product warranty. DPB will not be responsible for the issues associated with improper handling.